Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Go On Guitar, Tom MacDonald, stronger version. So, we like his songs here. Haven't covered that much from Tom, but he's incoming, so to speak. So this one, stronger version, we have 4 chords that goes in the same way here from the beginning till the very end. Let's take a look at this one. So, we have 4 chords and no need for any capo here. They are standard chords, so easy as they are. Let's take a look at them. Starting here with G. Alright, so that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. We have the next chord here, A minor, so that will be open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. E minor, so that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. And the final C is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Alright, so there we have the chord transition here. G, A minor, E minor to C. Okay, so this song is about straight downs only, so we're gonna chew a lot here on these chords. And it has this certain rhythm here. You get that when you play G, 7 downs, A minor 9, E minor 7, and C 9. Alright, so it's G, A minor, E minor, C, 7, 9, 7, 9. So it goes pretty fast. You don't have time to count, so you really have to practice and just get the feeling for when it's time to switch chord. But in my head, to begin with, I think when I play the 7th, I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. All right, so that makes it easier for me to get the timing right there. So for G, that's 7. I know that by feel because I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and next. And then comes the A minor, that is 9. So in my head, I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. That makes it 9 downs. So from G, it comes like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you continue with E minor 7 and C 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that's pretty much it for Tom MacDonald's stronger version. Give it a try. Nice guitar song. So yeah, happy Saturday and see you soon. Play tuned.